That is right. Demons, Fire, Heineken, and Porn Stars. That was the order for the guitar, which sounds like my kind of party. Anyway, cut the long story short, I've already started filling the wood grains on this bare heavy metal, bare wood guitar. I just need to sand it down and then prime it. Let's get to it. So we fast forward a little bit and the guitar is painted black. It's been clear coated and sanded down. Ready for the artwork. I already have a porn star on the back, but I couldn't show you the process of doing it. I can't even show you it right now because there's a friendly soul on YouTube, I'm sure there will be, that will just press report button, and you know, pornography is not allowed on YouTube for obvious reasons. You want porn sites, there's plenty out there, go and explore. Okay, back to the front. So over here we need to do Heineken, Demons and Fire, because Porn Star is already on the back. Cool. So let's start from the slightly less complicated stuff. I've got some Heineken stances. I printed them out, just need to transfer them to the guitar in the right spots. I'm thinking kind of Heineken logo over here, and then Demon with breathing fire and everything will be on fire, and we'll see where we get there. Alright guys, so first layer of clear coat is done and it's dry. It's been a couple of days now and it's looking rather nice. I mean, there are very little imperfections in the clear, and I'm happy with the overall gloss of it and everything. However, you can probably see, especially on this corner here, the difference in the paint layers. You can hear it as well. So that's happening here. Not so much of a Heineken logo, but over here it's a bit of a too much of a step for my liking. So what I like to do is I call a flow coat. What I'm going to do is I'm going to attack it with some 600 wet sandpaper, and then I'm going to finish it off with a red Scotch-Brite, also in wet. Degrease it, leave it to dry, and then I'm going to mix my clear coat yet again. At that point that's going to be nice and flat, and I'm going to reapply the clear coat, and hopefully at that point we can call it ready. So let's have a look at it, how it's looking now, and I'm going to come back to you guys in a couple of 3 days time, showing you how we're looking with a flow coat and a final application. I know some of you are probably thinking you gotta be crazy putting a 600 grit sandpaper to this clear coat, but trust me, when I finish with it, it will be just this much nicer. It's worth doing, it really is. A little bit of the advice over here. I always finish with a red Scotch-Brite, red or grey depending what kind of finish I'm going for, but I never go around those round corners with a sandpaper, and around the edges as well. Very rarely I do, just because it's very easy to go through on those corners, you know, over here. Plus difficult to get places. Awkward shades like this one over here. There's different angles here. There's no way I'm gonna, you know, try to risk it with sandpaper. You probably could do, but you need to be really careful, and this guy just does a perfect job because you kind of eliminate the risk of going through, and it just leaves a nice finish overall. There you go. Tip of the day.